The future of TLC's hit reality series 1000 LB Sisters has been hanging in the balance for months, and with the latest surprise bonus episode dropping unexpectedly, fans are starting to believe that the show may have reached its quiet farewell. For years, the Slayton sisters, Tammy and Amy, have been the centerpiece of a deeply emotional, chaotic, and often inspiring story about weight loss, family struggles, love, heartbreak, and redemption. Viewers have laughed with them, cried with them, and rooted for them through triumphs and setbacks. But as Season 7 wrapped up, it became increasingly clear that there are strong signals suggesting the show won't be renewed for Season 8. The surprise episode, which felt more like a reflection and wrap-up than a continuation, only fueled speculation that TLC is done with the Slayton saga. While TLC has not yet issued an official statement, the writing may already be on the wall. The first clear indication that the series may not return is the unusual pacing and editing of Season 7. Unlike earlier seasons where the show maintained a steady flow of drama, medical updates, and family milestones, this past season often felt rushed, with storylines abruptly ending or fading away without closure. For example, Amy's parenting journey after her arrest and custody struggles was presented in fragments, with more emphasis on quick emotional moments rather than detailed storytelling. Tammy's recovery after her massive weight loss transformation and skin removal surgery was groundbreaking but felt condensed into fewer episodes than fans expected. Longtime viewers noticed the difference, and social media buzz has been filled with speculation that the production team was simply peeping up loose ends instead of setting up a new chapter. Another sign that the show might not return is how much the cast themselves have hinted at moving on. Tammy, in particular, has been more active than ever on social media, posting TikToks and live videos where she engages directly with fans. Many of her updates, from sharing glimpses of her new look to casually referencing her life after TV, seem to suggest she is more interested in building a personal influencer brand rather than continuing under the structured spotlight of TLC cameras. Amy, on the other hand, has appeared overwhelmed with balancing her personal life, her children, and the constant scrutiny that comes with reality TV fame. She has openly admitted in interviews that the cameras can be exhausting and that she sometimes feels she is missing out on authentic family time. For both sisters, reality TV has served its purpose, helping them gain recognition, opportunities, and accountability, but they may now feel ready to step back. The third major factor is TLC's current programming shift. The network has a long history of rebranding and moving on from shows that lose steam, regardless of how dedicated the fan base may be. My 600 LB Life, which shares similarities with 1000 LB Sisters, has seen a decline in buzz, and other newer shows focusing on unconventional family dynamics or shock king transformations are starting to dominate TLC's schedule. If the network feels the Slayton family's story has run its course, they may choose to pivot toward fresh faces and newer storylines. The surprise bonus episode felt like a way to give fans a gentle send-off instead of abruptly cutting the show off. Instead of announcing an official cancellation, which could spark backlash, TLC may be letting the series quietly fade into history. Viewership trends also play a big role in the uncertainty. While 1000 LB Sisters has consistently been a social media phenomenon, trending on TikTok, Instagram, and X, formerly Twitter, after nearly every episode, the actual ratings have shown a slow decline compared to the peak seasons. The novelty of the sisters' journeys, Amy pursuing motherhood, Tammy's near-death hospitalizations, their dramatic fights, and shocking romances, has lessened over time. With Tammy now healthier than ever and Amy stepping into calmer life choices, the drama that once drove the show is no longer as intense. In the world of reality TV, high-stakes tension and unpredictable storylines are essential for survival, and without them, networks may not see the value in renewing another season. The fifth and perhaps most emotional sign is how the surprise bonus episode was structured. Instead of teasing a new season or introducing new storylines, the episode leaned heavily on reflection, almost like a montage of everything the sisters have gone through since the beginning. Viewers were treated to clips of Tammy's early struggles with mobility, Amy's heartfelt dreams of having children, and even memorable family blow-ups that defined the show's tone. Fans described the episode as bittersweet, with many commenting online that it felt like a goodbye message from both the cast and the producers. Reality television rarely gets the chance to wrap up storylines neatly, but the way this bonus episode framed the sisters' journeys suggested intentional closure. Adding to the uncertainty is the fact that TLC has remained quiet about renewal discussions. Normally, networks drop hints or even officially announce plans for upcoming seasons shortly after a finale airs. In this case, however, silence has only fueled speculation. Insiders claim that TLC is weighing whether the Slayton story has enough longevity to keep audiences invested, but others belie. The decision has already been made to let Season 7 and the bonus episode stand as the final chapter. If true, this would mark the end of one of TLC's most talked about franchises of the past decade. Fans are divided in their reactions to the possibility of cancellation. Some argue that Tammy's incredible progress, including her dramatic weight loss and new lease on life, deserves to be showcased for at least one more season. Others, however, feel the show has already fulfilled its mission and that the sisters should be allowed to live their lives without constant filming. On Reddit threads and Facebook fan groups, viewers have been candid, saying that while they would miss the Slayton family, they respect that reality TV can be overwhelming and sometimes even damaging. From a broader perspective, 1000 lb Sisters has been more than just a show about weight loss. It has sparked important conversations about obesity, addiction, mental health, relationships, and resilience. Tammy's journey from being nearly bed-bound and on life support to walking, smiling, and dancing on TikTok has inspired millions. Amy's ups and downs as a mother have resonated with parents worldwide who struggle to juggle personal growth with the demands of raising children. Even their messy family drama has humanized the show, reminding viewers that no family is perfect but every family is worth fighting for. In this sense, the series has already left a legacy that doesn't need another season to prove its value. If this truly is the end, the surprise bonus episode was a fitting way to bow out. It gave fans closure, celebrated the sisters' triumphs, and subtly acknowledged that their stories may continue off camera. Whether Tammy becomes a full-fledged influencer or Amy focuses on her children, their lives will still unfold in the public eye, just in different ways. And perhaps that is the natural evolution of reality TV in the digital age, a shift from network-controlled narratives to self-curated online personas. For now, the fate of 1000 lb Sisters remains officially undecided, but the signals are too strong to ignore. The rushed storylines, cast hints of moving on, TLC's programming shifts, declining ratings, and the reflective nature of the bonus episode all point toward a quiet farewell rather than a new beginning. Fans may hold out hope for Season 8, but they should also prepare themselves for the possibility that the journey they've been following for years has reached its final destination. If this is goodbye, then the sisters leave behind a legacy of resilience, transformation, and unforgettable television moments. And if, by chance, TLC does surprise everyone with a renewal, it will feel like an unexpected gift rather than a guaranteed continuation. Until then, all eyes remain on Tammy and Amy as they navigate life outside the structured world of reality TV, proving once again that their story is bigger than any single show. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 lb's YouTube channel for more update news.